Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are gonna do unboxing for him, which is for me. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do unboxing for each of items on the table right now, and then if you're interested any of them, and we're gonna get some good deal for you, especially people in Malaysia, and then we're gonna give a link down here. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hi guys, thank you for watching our YouTube channel. So right now, we're gonna do unboxing for the items on the table. This is items for me, and then one of the brand that we choose, which is Barbour. This brand is very famous, and it's quite. Most of items being used by royal family, and then they use this brand for outdoor activities, especially. So I really choose this brand because I know that quality is there, and then most of my products, most of my shirts is Barbour as well. So especially the jacket, it's really nice and warm when I wear it during winter. So let's see what we got here. So the first item, which is this shirt. I like the color because I always go either black color or dark color or white, but most of my shirt is white color. So this brand shown front there, clear brand, Barbour International, and that's a blank at the back. So the quality, please pardon our noise at the back. It's just a cat feeder, auto cat feeder. Right, so this first shirt that we got, okay, we put aside, and then the second one, same brand, just a sandbag, which is this one. As you can see, look, it's since 1894. There's no doubt the brand's there and the quality is there. So the design is quite subtle, and then the back plain, and it's very nice Barbour brand. So you got pepper bag, you got two shirt, black and white. Very nice. Okay, so the next one, what you can see here, right? 1, 2, and 3. So I've got these three item, which is a different color, and if you don't know, this is one of the famous brand for those who really into like outdoor 4x4. So this is very famous brand. It's a London-based brand. Okay, you can see it's a Chelsea truck. Okay, that is nice. Because the reason I choose these three, because I'm a cap collector. So if you've seen before, I always wear Replay. I use like North Face. Because the cap is really good and the quality is there. If you buy a cheap one, it not last very long. So that's why we go for quality. Like this brand is very good. Okay, see, got what you call it? This dark green color. This is black with the embroidery, black embroidery. This is black with white embroidery. So there's difference between those two. Okay, let me open this. Alright, so that's the second one. That's the third one. Okay, so the reason I picked this one, because you can see there's a light there. Those who always do like outdoor event, they sometimes need some lights when they on the road, if for example the car is breakdown. So it's really good. That's the reason why I choose this one. Okay, as you can see, there's a light here. So it's kind of mechanical stuff. So if you in a dark place, it's very good and very safety. So people can see you if someone drive from far. So as you can see, there's kind of mechanical inside. So next I will show you how it works, because it might take a while to assemble this. Alright, so these two, very nice color, and then it's very good. You can even wear it during raining time, because it's not all covered, and got some space, or what we call it, air movement inside. So this is very good brand, and Chelsea truck, best. Okay, next up, so we got another two good brands, and then this is a perfect brand, which is Creuset. Actually, Creuset mainly women that use it, but hang on, there's also item for men, and this one is Penhaligon, and we are really into this brand, and I mean, like Le Creuset, we have tons of it. It's like my wife got like, I don't know where to put now. But okay, don't waste time. So let's see what's inside. So since it's only early of the year, so I'm really want to focus into getting a good health and then like try to get into shape. So this is the one that I really need. So this is a hydration bottle and it's really good, really nice. And I choose red color because I always go for red if I want to go or choose something for like for sport. So it can last for 12 hours. Either you put a cold water or hot water, and really handy, and it's very light. Look, it's very nice design. If you're looking to get one, we got pink color, especially for women. I know that's the unboxing for me, yes, but if you need some of the bottle, especially for her, you can order it in her website. Okay, link below. Okay, so the first item is for 2022, good for men especially. You need to get into shape, you need to hydrate, get water, liquid in your body all the time. Right, so the first one gone. Very good, Le Creuset. Okay, the next one, oops, we got Penhaligon. All right, why we choose this one? Because it's consists both for her and for him. So if you want to save time, if save money, go for this one first. Look, they got have a manual in there. Very nice packaging, you see. So this is the original bottles, like a big bottle, but this one is like a, you call it individual bottles, like half for him, half for her. So, oh my god, the smell so nice. Look, packaging very nice, and this is also good for like you want to give a gift for, I mean, wedding present or friends, anniversary, birthday. So, oh my god, can we try now? Okay, all right, I'll try later. But this is for another brand that we go, Penhaligon. Oh my god, this brand is very good. I don't know how long it's been in the market for. I think since 18th or 19th century. So okay, this is another brand that because royal family use it as well. If you can see, there's two what we call it, this kind of a royals royal stamp or royals logo or something. So this brand, okay, look, 1870. Oh my god, it's kind of long-lasting brand. So the smell is so good. Oh my god, if you, I mean, like one of them, you can pick from here. They got name and you get a big bottle for it. All right, wait for next one. So guys, I've been waiting for this item very long. The only reason I only bought this because I've been waiting or reading reviews online. So I'm watching review on YouTube, watching review on Amazon. Like in the UK, I mean, you can really go and then read all reviews left and right. So here we go. So this is the Apple Watch. Since we got hydration bottle, so we need to make sure we trace all the calories that burn and what kind of activities you do, like how many steps you do every day. So we got Apple Watch Series 3. Okay, so another tip, if you really want to have like a good item that you don't have to pay full price, just wait a little bit. I know that's a lot of series now in the market, but what I can see or read on the review, they said what Apple Watch Series 3 cannot do compared to the new one. So the reason I bought this one, because the reviews are good, and then they've been on the market in a while, and then you know that people have been using it, and then the price, oh my god, it's like you got real bargain. I think it's 1/3 already compared to the price when they launch it. So look, oh, that's a feeling when you have an Apple brand. Oh goodness me, oh my god, look at that. The color, the black color. All right. Oh, can we just leave it there? Right. So wait. Next, we're gonna do like a review after a few weeks or few months after I use it. Okay. I have another like was it a Fitbit that I got before?
No.
Yeah, the really cheap one is utterly rubbish. Don't buy the cheap stuff if you can afford something good, because once you have a good quality one, the accuracy is very high compared to the one that on the market. So I also got the cover for it, because I know that I'm not kind of person that really what you call it, soft. I'm a man, so this is a man review. So I've got the Apple Watch cover as well, so it's good. At least it can last long. And the other reason that I choose it for myself, because the Fitbit one, because I'm kind of busy person, right? This one, you can answer phone, you can read messages, you can read email, also reply to messages to email, and answer call, especially when you're in the shower, right? So at least you know that someone called you. So this is one of the reasons that I choose it for me. And I always go for black. I think they have like two sizes. It's either 43mm or 38mm. So I think this one I choose for 43, because I really like the size bigger screen compared to 38mm. So if you can see my wrist, because my wrist is not that small, so this is 43 is kind of perfect for me. Let me take it out. Right, so the packaging is so nice. So one other thing, I used to be an Android person, all right, for many years, but once I use Apple iPhone, sorry to say, I'm not Android person anymore, because everything is so slick, so simple, and then you can connect to your MacBook, you can connect to anything that's quite handy really, because the connection is very good and the brand is very good, the support is very good, and to be honest, I rarely get into trouble with the what you call antivirus kind of thing. It's not Apple stuff, alright? So this is for me. We got cover. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this so long. And thank you for watching, and hopefully we're gonna have like more stuff to share with you. This is unboxing for me, which is for him, and hopefully next my wife gonna unboxing for her. Let's see what she buy next time. So I'm gonna unwrap this. Oh my god, Apple, they do so nice packaging, right? I think I'm gonna read the manual later on, as usual. Who reads a manual this day? When you get into trouble, then you read the manual. Okay, I believe that's a button for you to turn on. Look at that, it's already on. And then I think I'm gonna put my cover now. So this cover is really nice, because it's either I can use like the clear color or the black one. So you can choose between those two, because the one that I got here, Series 3, they call it gray color. So I can change it to either black or maintain the same color on there. So very nice, very slick. If I put on my wrist right now, look at that. Oh god, this is so light as well. And I think we need to like kind of synchronize with my Apple phone. Okay, let's put it a bit. That's it. And thank you for watching, and hopefully we're gonna have like more stuff to share with you. This is unboxing for me, which is for him, and hopefully next my wife gonna unboxing for her. Let's see what she buy next time. Alright, so until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.